We're here today in Cebu Plant Company in Lapu-Lapu City to check on the pond that we work on, and we'll see. We'll get inside, we'll see how it goes and the progress of the fish pond. Cafe. This is the fish pond that we've been working on for the last month. There are already fishes inside, as you can see. As of now, the fishes are around 43, 45 huge koi fishes. Okay, we have you can see there's an acrylic window, two acrylic window here, and the fishes are swimming freely. Very nice. This is the filtration that we've been doing for the last month for the big pond they have here to showcase the koi. So let's see today how our filtration goes. Alright? So this part here first is the vortex chamber. This is where the water comes in from the big pond there. The piping is going the bottom going out. We used two 4-inch pipes to drain going inside this one. So here next is the filter brush chamber. This is the first stage of the filtration system. This is where all the debris, the leaves, the waste, food waste, whatever mechanical debris from the pond, it will be filtered here first. So you get four layers of filter brush. These are removables. Okay. Right. Then next chamber is the Japanese mat. So here we used 3, 6, 9, around 12 Japanese mats we use in a vertical setting to filter still the debris, and this is also starting where the good bacteria start to build up in this media, in this Japanese mats. Okay. So by the way, the depth of this chamber, I mean the whole filtration, is around 1 meter. So from this level going down is 1 meter. So we filled all this with at the bottom with all the media. Next is the biological filtration. So here, this chamber, the third chamber, here is the biological filtration that comes in. This is all where the stones, ceramic rings, we got the pumice and all the lava rocks, all the biological filtration is in this chamber, the third chamber. And then we added a lot of aerators and oxygenation in this chamber for the bacteria to live. You know, they need also oxygenation for the good bacteria. By the way, good bacteria are the one who will digest your ammonias and your nitrates before going back to the water, right? For it should be clear and clean. So the last chamber here is the oyster shells chamber. Let's open it up. We cover this one with matala. For that it won't be moved and it will be disturbed. Yeah. So the oyster shells are the one controls the pH, stabilize the pH of the whole water system that we have. So this chamber here will not be touched or will not be cleaned. If there will be maintenance, it will be here for the rest of this thing running. The pond is running. And then this we added around 150 kilos of oyster shells in this chamber. So as you can see, it looks so It looks so like you can see only a few, but it's deep, and there's already a lot of shells there, 150 kilos of oyster shells. So yeah, and then this is our water flow.
Okay, thanks.
This is the last part of the chamber where we put the pump. Okay, so here is only the pump. We added a few gravels to catch the debris, if there are still debris, because we're in outdoor. So there's still tendency that there will be dried leaves falling off. You have to catch the some debris at the bottom. We use the Pereja PB 25,000 pump that will push all the filtered water going back to our pond. Okay. Here, this is the output of our of the pump. It's a 2-inch pipe we're using. This is the temporary outflow where we added because we're gonna make a waterfalls here. There's a catch basin and waterfall pipe. From the pipe, outflow going to the waterfall chamber, going out back to the fan. So hopefully we'll finish everything. Okay? And here are the electronics. So guys, this part here is where we house everything, the electronics from the filter chambers, all the electronics that we use, we put it here. Okay? Aerators, outlets, the control the pump, we have 2 aerators and the compressors. Okay? And there's a separate breaker of this one just for the safety in case there'll be low voltage brownouts or electrical interruptions. There's a different breakers there far, and in case it will run out, that will be shut off. It's not directly connected to the main line, but we have a different breaker for this one. Okay, so let's enjoy and look at the fishes again. Okay, there are 5 air discs we distributed in this pond. It's a 8-inch air disc we distributed around the pond to compensate for the oxygenation of the fishes throughout the pond area. Okay. So this whole setup has been running for about 3 weeks now, and it's starting to get clear. The water starting to get clear, filtered. They already added few fishes for the display and to check if the water is okay, but so far the fishes are doing great. You have 0 casualty, and we will add more. Okay? We'll add more kois. We're targeting around 120 kois for this pond. Right now there are around 43, 45, small and big, and we'll add 80 more. That's about it about the pond. We'll tour around now on the whole area of the Cebu Plant Company, and let's check out more different plants that they have. Ripat, kuha ni siya?
Succulent.
Succulents. Nice. So customize ang inyong pot ani. How much in isa ka pot?
40 ang pot, tapos 150 ang isa.
Okay,
Kani siya, set na.
the whole setup is around 290. A pot is 40 pesos. The different varieties of succulents, cacti. So guys, this cactus here is a 50-year-old cactus. Quite tall, it's around 4 feet, and then very sharp, start to flower already. So this is not for sale, okay? It's for display. Guys, this is the house of the silky chicken that we got roaming around the whole area. So this is their house. Very nice. And they laid some eggs. Rubber trees. They go huge. They got variegated leaves. They got a lot. Ready for sale. We have 6 Manao plants, huge. These are the bird's nest ferns, really huge. So this has been propagated privately and displayed it here. So guys, after all roaming around, walking around, looking at the plants, checking the fish in the pond, they got a cafe here. You can quench your thirst, and they got a whole lot of different varieties of coolers. So come on, let's go to the cafe. Yay!
Yeah, lami.